Marine forecast issued at 11:30 a.m. Friday, August 17th for today, tonight, and Saturday. Marine forecast for Lake Nipissing. Strong wind warning in effect. Wind west 20 knots, diminishing to west 15 this afternoon and to northwest 10 late this evening. Wind backing to southwest 10 Saturday morning, then increasing to southwest 20 Saturday afternoon. Chance of showers today and tonight. A few showers Saturday evening. Current marine report. Weather conditions at 2 p.m. Lake Nipissing. Buoy temperature 18. Wind west 19 knots. Wave height 0.4 meters. Water temperature 21. Barometric pressure 100.60 kilopascals and steady.
Prévision émise par Environnement.